Good evening, everyone. We are Group 4, and today we are going to learn about rational equations and inequalities and how to solve them.
Rational equations. An equation involving rational expressions. An equation containing at least one fraction whose numerator and denominator are polynomials. P of x over q of x. These fractions may be on one or both sides of the equation. How to solve a rational equation? Factor all denominators to determine the LCD. Note the restrictions to x. These are the values of x that make the denominator 0. They are values that x can't be because a fraction with a 0 denominator is undefined. Multiply both sides of the equal sign by the LCD. Every term in the equation is multiplied by the LCD. Solve the resulting equation. Check for extraneous solutions. Check each solution to confirm the value does not make the denominator in the original equation equal to 0. If a solution is found to make the denominator in the original equation 0, it must be rejected as a solution.
Our example for rational equation is 1 over x minus 5 plus 1 over x plus 5 is equal to 4 over x squared minus 25. And our LCD is quantity x plus 5 and quantity x minus 5. We multiply our LCD to the both sides of our equations. Quantity x minus 5 and quantity x plus 5 times 1 over x minus 5. X minus 5 will be cancelled and x plus 5 will be multiplied to the numerator number 1. Same with 1 over x plus 5. X plus 5 will be cancelled and x minus 5 will be multiplied to the numerator. Doing the same process in 4 over x squared minus 25, x minus 5 and x plus 5 will be cancelled since the factor of x squared minus 25 is x minus 5 and x plus 5. The numerator 4 will remain. Now we combine like terms. Positive x plus positive x is equal to 2x. Positive 5 plus negative 5 is equal to 0. Now we divide both sides to find the value of x. 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the value of x is 2. For substitution, we substitute the value of x to the equation we have. 1 over 2 minus 5 plus 1 over 2 plus 5 is equal to 4 over 2 squared minus 25. And that is 1 over 3 plus 1 over 7 is equal to 4 over 4 minus 25. 1 over 3 plus 1 over 7 is equal to negative 4 over 21. 4 over 4 minus 25 is equal to negative 4 over 21.
Rational inequalities. A rational inequality is an inequality that can contains a rational expression where a rational expression is a ratio of two polynomials, that is, a rational expression is of the form r of x over q of x, where r of x and q of x are polynomials and q of x is not 0. How to solve a rational inequality? Put the inequality in general form. General form means the inequality must be greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to 0. Find the zeros, the solution of the numerator and the denominator. These are the critical points. Use the critical points from step 2 to divide the number line into intervals. Choose a value in each interval. Test each of these values to see if the fraction form the original problem is positive or negative. Determine which intervals make the original rational inequality true. Write your answer in interval notation. The example of inequalities is 6x over x minus 2 is greater than negative 1 over x minus 2. So, ang gagawin natin ay hanapin natin muna ang LCD. At ang LCD natin ay x minus 2. So, ang ginawa natin ay nilagay lang natin yung x minus 2 sa baba kasi parehas lang naman at yung LCD nila. So, ang matitira ay 6x plus 18. So, yun yung final answer natin sa inequalities sa example. Tapos, hanapin natin yung critical value. So, 6x plus 18 is equal to 0 muna. So, 6x, ililipat lang natin. Kaya 6x is equal to negative 18. So, kaya naging ganyan. Pinalitan natin yung sign yung positive 18, kaya naging negative 18. Tapos, yung x natin dapat maging x lang. So, lalagay lang natin yung 6 sa denominator, yung sa baba. 6, tapos cancel natin yung dalawang 6 na yan. Tapos, ang matitira ay negative 18 over 6. Tapos, i-divide natin at magiging negative 3 yung x niya. So, dun naman sa x minus 2, ay i-change lang naman, magiging positive 2. Ngayon, ililinya natin. So, yung dun sa lalagay natin yung negative 3 sa left side, yung dun sa may A, yung sa gitna ng B pala, yung tapos yung 2 naman dun sa may right, yung dun sa may C, ilalagay natin doon kasi sa left ay negative at sa 2 ay positive, kaya dun ilagay. So, ang gagawin natin rin ay lalagay natin x is less than negative 3, tapos sa gitna naman nun ay negative 3 is less than x and less than 2. Tapos, doon naman sa may letter C, ay ilalagay natin yung x is greater than 2. Kaya nilagay natin x greater than 2 kasi papuntang right, kasi pataas, greater. Kaya naging less than yung negative 3, kasi papuntang negative. At yung sabi naman, ay kaya negative 3 less than x less than 2, kasi nasa gitna siya ng negative 3 at 2. Ngayon, gagawin natin yung test point, yung table. So, intervals natin ay x less than negative 3 less than x, and less than 2, x greater than 2. So, doon naman sa x less than negative 3 ay mag-isip tayo ng negative, less than. So, negative 4. So, negative 4 plus 6 plus 18 ay negative. So, yung pagkalkyo ko ay negative na, dahil naman siya, negative yung negative yun po yung sagot niya po. So, kaya negative yan. Negative 4 minus 2 ay negative. Kaya negative plus negative ay positive. So, doon naman tayo sa negative 3 less than x less than 2. So, mag-iisip tayo ng ganun. Yung less than negative 3 ay 1, tapos less than 2, 1. So, 1 yung naisip namin. Kaya 1 plus 6 plus 18 ay positive. At yung 1 minus 2 ay negative. So, kaya naging positive at negative yun. So, positive plus negative ay negative. So, ito naman, yung doon naman tayo sa greater than 2, which is 6 yung napili namin, yung x greater than 2. So, 6 plus 6 plus 18, positive. Tapos 6 minus 2, positive pa rin kasi may natira pa. So, positive plus positive ay positive.
For checking, we substitute the values of x to the original equation we have. 6 times negative 3 over negative 3 minus 2 greater than negative 18 over negative 3 minus 2. That is negative 18 over negative 5 greater than negative 18 over negative 5. Therefore, negative 3 is a solution of this equation. For the second value of x, 6 times 2 over 2 minus 2 greater than negative 18 over 2 minus 2. It is an extraneous solution. X such that x is less than or equal to negative 3 or x is greater than negative 2. Negative infinity to negative 3 union, positive 2 to positive